as I believe, it'd probably be unwise to confront her about it.
Unwise? What accent is that?
What?
Well, it's a different, like the dialect. It's from a specific British dialect, isn't it?
Which what? Who are you referring to?
The one that just talked.
I was at the menu. I didn't hear him.
Aww.
Are you talking about your character or my character?
I don't know. I think it was yours.
Gruber! He talks very much like this.
Maybe that was him.
That is cool.
The two that were just talking were Dwarfy Boy and the human.
Oh, there you go.
That doesn't narrow it down. You mean
No, the saber, not the toffee-nosed ass muncher of the.
Not the witch hunter. You mean You mean Kruber.
Kruber?
I'm sure. What accent is Kruber? All birds. Oh, you can't shoot him.
Yeah, I know. It's one of those questions where it's like you take a leap of faith. You can piss off an entire country, or you can actually like, oh yeah, that's a legit question, dude. Like,
well, my guys receive pronunciation, which is like sort of posh people language.
Posh people language.
Posh people language, yeah. Yours, I'd say, is London.
All right. Posh people language. Can I say that without offending an entire country?
Yes. Yeah. That is the technical term. Posh people language. This place is huge. Compared to the pub, this place is huge. Oh, let's get to the...
What's your problem with the pub?
It's a bit small.
Yeah. Ryan, what's your problem with the pub? Pubs are awesome. I'm just saying.
Pubs are awesome. And if I had to arrange the fence of my town, it would be from the pub.
Good call.
Can you imagine that? Vermintide free, Lowestoft.
Oh, mate, it pretty much looks like we've been attacked by the Horde.
Yeah. Where do we work from? We work from the Flying Dutchman.
Oh, mate.
Are we all going? I can stretch some mission going.
Yes.
Yeah, I believe so. Yeah.
I believe so.
I believe so.
Right. So we are now going to do mission 2 of Act 2, which is actually because we've done mission 1 of Act 1 already. So of Act Oh, I see.
Wait, what? No, don't use me starting this from me again, Ram, because you did this before. You was all like, hey mate, check this out. What about me? And then it turns out we were doing it all fucking wrong, mate.
Only one. Anyway, I feel I found the mission we need to do.
See?
Stop me if you've heard this one before, but the Rat Men have raised a bloody great bell up on Helmgart's ramparts. Crazy little buggers will worship anything near as I can tell. Problem is, there's no way to know if this is a purely ceremonial lump of bronze or a lodestone for our Grey Seer's magic. We'll have to destroy it, just to be safe. And by we, I mean you.
Oh yeah, let us do all the work.
The royal we.
Yeah, yeah. You people die for me.
All right.
Yeah, it's a great honor for you.
Sounds like a plan.
Crack a bell, Dory. Reckon I could do that. In fact, I've done that many times.
Damn it, that dwarf is fast.
I know! How can something with that short legs be so quick?
Leroy.
Rats.
Rat!
Unfortunately, we have pressing matters to attend to.
He wants blood.
You
Onwards.
wonders of intellect and insight.
Yeah, things. You hear rats.
I hear rats as well.
You know. Mother.
Oh, hello.
Oh, that wasn't a rat. That was just gas.
Very similar.
I'm losing my patience.
Ow.
Ow.
I didn't expect to do that.
Did you not?
No, I didn't expect to, like, blow up quite that quickly.
You didn't quite expect it to be caught by our faces.
No.
Careful, guys. I think we got one of them. I heard a hiss.
His head came off.
Packmaster, here he is.
You're right.
That Packmaster will
Nailed it!
What happened?
Oh, there's a healing Majuba here if anyone needs one. Oh, there's a couple.
Vileness. Must you hesitate at every turn?
Bosh, bitches!
I see the.
I hear a globe. Oh, there's a globe master behind us. Where is he?
I think our little stealthy dude took care of it.
Little stealthy.
Stop scowling at the snow.
Which one of us is stealthy?
I think it means the elf, the stealthy elf, the stealthy.
Yeah. Oh, there.
slaughter don't get easier to see.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, man.
Oh, blood-bought, you're unstoppable. The dwarf shames us with his...
Oh man, hello mateys!
Ready, mates. Blade comes ahead. Over the mortal of flame. Awaken, heaven, judgment, terrors, echo,
Plague rats!
On me, on me,
Who's
on me.
that?
Got it.
There you go. Thank you.
Rupert, your lack of finesse makes your rampage somewhat more endearing.
They just keep coming.
It's like a tide of vermin.
Yeah, it is.
Man.
There should be a name for that.
There should be.
I reckon they should make a game.
Nah, that won't sell.
Tide vermin.
Tide of vermin?
No, just tide vermin.
Handling poor quarters always a
Tide vermin. Tide vermin 2.
Let's leave them to swing a goblet.
That definitely won't sell.
Pig! Leave the pig alone.
Where?
Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it!
Another
I'm
pig.
starting to have flashbacks.
Leave! Look, if you kill like that, we won't get good bacon off it.
Well, I want pork chops. Pork chops.
Well, that's not how you kill him. If you want pork chops, you do it differently.
How do we get to Scarce? He's way ahead of us.
He went round the other way. He went round this way.
There's the other way.
Yes. I got diverted by the pig.
Oh, he jumped the boxes and he's like, yeah.
Like,
this.
fuck
I'm in
you
another-
guys, I'm leading you to it. Where's that rat? I saw a rat.
She have
ammo,
stab me
ammo.
stab, dude. This can't go wrong.
Stab, dude.
Ammunition.
Da.
Oh, healing draft.
Healing draft. I've got health. Saber. You're not that bad, but we want to get back here, so it might be worth doing your health and taking it.
So I should heal with the one I have and then fucking take this one. out.
I think so.
Bam, did it. Oh shit!
Oh,
They went kaboom.
I did go boom. That hurt. Who would do such a thing?
I think I made a wide swing. And it
Oh, rattling gunner!
What rattling gun?
Yeah. I want DLC where you can be the rattling gunner.
Bitches!
Ooh, incoming.
Delph!
Follow Scarce. He gets to have all the fun. No, he killed them all.
No, he didn't. Shush. Oh, open the crate. Open!
Walk right.
Open the crate!
Incoming. Get fucked.
Oh, his legs come off! He's dead.
And he still got up. That's
What a bitch!
Tis but a scratch.
That shows conviction.
Proper dedicated to fucking us up. Troll?
Where's the troll? Where's the troll? I've got explosive barrel. Where is he?
Behind
Oh,
us.
there he
Oh,
is.
yeah.
Right, shoot the barrel.
Oh shit, what did I do?
Oh, that was terrible.
Come on, troll. Come over here.
Come hither, bitchly.
Mother, guys.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Black Master's dead.
Yeah, I've had them.
If anyone's got any flamey things, that'd be helpful.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Ow!
Let's give it another.
What is it we can pick up? Oh.
That's guys' droppings. Skaven, get him. He's nearly down.
Fuck that little bitch.
Did you see
Yeah.
that exorcist move he did?
The vomitorium.
Yep.
Yeah. Medical supplies, Zaber and Skaz, you both need it.
I'm
Well,
up.
let's hope this works.
Is there more?
Someone pick up. Yeah, someone pick them up.
Oh, there you go. Bam, did it. No, I didn't. I didn't do it.
What's up?
Picked
Look.
up. I picked up a loot die, I think.
Oh, I thought it was medical supplies. Perhaps someone else.
There was. I picked that up too. But it was
Oh,
also
that's
a loot
right.
die.
Well done.
Ah, the hell? No. What?
Did you just
Help.
teleport?
Skaz is teleported.
Help!
Where did you go, dude?
I don't know. I
I'm-
can't move. I'm stuck.
Oh shit.
I'm going back, but I can't find you, dude. Where the hell are you?
Yeah, he's
I'm
up
not.
here, mate. He's up here.
Oh, there we go. I'm
I'm
moving
back.
again now. What the fuck? Just I stopped moving. I just couldn't move.
Next bike?
Skaz, you want to grab that health potion? Yeah.
Got it. Games are like, look, you will stop moving. Start getting rubber banded. You will wait for your team. I don't wanna.
Stop showing that you're the most valuable player. Leave the team.
What the elf?
Let the other team members have a chance to feel good about themselves.
By watching the elf.
Behind us,
Yeah.
behind us. There's like a shaman thing draining me of all my life. I think, yep.
GG, Ram.
I don't know what they're called.
Nice. I think. What did he call it?
Bitches.
No, it's like a fungus mage or something.
Fungi mage.
Yeah, they're really fun guys.
Fungi.
Two of one shot. Two of one shot.
Ow, mother. Very expensive. It cost him an arm and a leg.
Yeah.
The heads are coming off, yeah? Oi! Mine! Bad Ram! Curse you! It's your crossbow. Oh, someone's hissing. Ram, get in front of me!
Yeah. Where are you?
They're assassin
Ah, my doggies! Good job.
Okay, ammunition. And I'm going to
Drink with
take.
Azzy. Do you hear that?
Behind gas guy.
Saber, do you want to You can help if you want. I've just picked up the If you want to heal up, Saber, you can. There's a health potion to the alleyway behind you.
Alright, pick that one up and then use it.
Use that and then
Nope.
pick up the med kit again.
Hang on, there's a glowy green thing down here.
Bam, did it.
Okay.
Hang on, lads. Ooh!
What have you found?
Another healing draft.
We got incoming, guys.
I've got healing drafts. I'm good. Right, I just realised.
That was
Left
the
me
bell.
behind, the cheeky bastards. I would never do that to you guys.
They're on the roof.
Yeah, so I wish.
Bloody chaos for you!
Got it, boy! Oh, it's got boshed in the head, that cheeky prick.
Chaos warriors dead.
Well, that was a challenge.
Another one.
Chaos warrior down.
Oh,
That Rakan needs to die, and
Oh, gas guy.
There.
you see that?
dead.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's nothing. Just training, that's all. Guys,
Gas guy, where? Doesn't matter, he's dead. I just wanted to let you know he was there.
Yeah.
Wrangler! Oh,
Oh, it's got me! Lads, save me!
There you go.
Oh, I'm having connection issues again. No!
Nice, guys. I'm covering you.
GG.
I'm doing my best type of cover at range.
How? I'm having the same issue, guys.
Ram must be on 4G again.
Must be. I feel it's been stable all evening.
Well, apparently not now, it ain't, son.
It's well.
All the mobs was just stood still, did nothing, and then all of a sudden,
Yeah.
I was elsewhere.
oh, ammunition!
Healy kit here, if anyone needs it.
I've got a healing kit. Do you want to swap out your potion for a healing kit? In fact,
What's Saber got?
he's got a healing kit.
I'm fine. Yeah, I got a healing kit.
You might as well take your potion and take it on.
A bit tangy for my taste.
Yeah! Right, let's go.
If you look below our little pictures on the side, it actually shows you what everybody's got a crit. What potion
Oh yeah, but
everybody's
you also
got.
have to remember I'm on a 1080p window on a big screen.
Oh yeah.
I can't see any icons. Icons? I can barely see the enemies, Ram.
Oh, there we go. Screaming bell.
What is this?
Leroy!
It's a screaming bell.
There's healing here,
Oh,
guys.
I'm being attacked, guys.
Well,
guys.
We can't get up there. Hang on. Give me a sec.
Someone needs to shoot this guy because he's about to kill me.
I'm trying.
Where is he?
Got him.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Thank you.
We moved on, Ram.
Yeah, but you moved on just to see attack me.
Nuggy.
So what's going on?
Right.
What we should
Got to destroy the screen bell. There's like chains. I can see where there's chains like up where I am.
Yep.
I've got 3 of them, lads.
Yeah, I'm now going for. I've done 2 over here. I'm now going for the 3rd. Done 3 over here.
Yeah, I'm killing rats.
I'm going for another set of chains.
Same.
Coming away.
With the rat.
Hey!
I like that racket far more. Specifically got was concerned.
You guys good?
Yeah. That was easy.
What do we need to down?
Lag it.
Escape.
Oh, right, Erica. Big guy. Oh!
Ow. Did you guys leg it?
No.
No.
I thought you guys legged it, so I legged it as well, then it turns out you hadn't. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow.
We don't tend to run from a fight.
Yeah, sounds like a rat ogre.
Ow, mother.
Anyone else have some healing?
Ow, he hurt.
They ain't using. You shall not die!
Healing?
Oh shit!
Oh!
Oh shit!
I thought you were done, Skaz. I thought you knocked into the pit.
Oh mate, I could do with a clean pair of shorts. oh lads.
I honestly thought that was you done for.
Ooh.
Right. Where the fuck's the British Shadows is the question.
I am. Yeah.
Over here, guys. I think that's the one out there, isn't it?
Hey?
No? No. It's my bad.
Elf, why
It has
can't
to
you
be
be
that one.
useful now, you dippy cow?
I love the big pounding moves. Like, come on, guys, you're making it wonderful. It's like we would if we knew where we were going. Oh! Where am I? On me!
Where's me? Oh, there.
Down there.
Come out,
Very big.
face our righteous steel.
M.
Close up. Don't want to get separated.
The Sasquatch is dead.
Oh, I saw a bit from up high.
Can't help.
I think they're pissed off, guys.
Nah, what gives that idea, dude?
Shoddy arm of these Kazaki dukes, just like I told you.
The rest need to chill.
Yeah. Oh, we've got some from behind.
Mortal time, Dory. I want ale by the barrel.
Alright, we're clear. We're here, we're here. Ah.
Begone, foul heretics! Set my will to
Did it? Where's Gas? Oh, he's there.
I know it's easy to miss.
First try.
I think we need to get Scars because he's quite a short character. I think we can give him like a little flag to put on his head, his little helmet.
Or a whistle.
Yeah, whistle if you need help. Like you get on those life vests on the plane.
Just get me a candle. You know, maybe a little mini lighthouse.
Yeah. Once
Wow,
again, save mole, topping the board.
Damn.
But Scars done the most damage.
Bosh, mate. Bosh.
Tell what, Killian's really letting the team down. They have definitely nerfed the elf in this game.
Fucking elf.